Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about celebrity stories of the week, Kylie Jenner's surprising move during Paris Fashion Week. While the world expected to see her front row at multiple runway shows, the beauty mogul had other plans. Instead, she made a quiet but powerful statement of support for her boyfriend, actor Timothée Chalamet. According to reports and eyewitness accounts, Kylie was originally in Paris for Fashion Week, attending the star-studded Miu Miu Spring/Summer 2026 show. But soon after the event ended, she boarded a private jet bound for New York City, all to be there for Timothée's big night. His latest film, Marty Supreme, had its surprise premiere at the New York Film Festival, and Kylie wasn't about to miss it. What makes this story so interesting is how Kylie handled her appearance. Unlike many celebrity couples who take the red carpet together, Kylie decided to keep things low-key. She avoided the spotlight, choosing to stay behind the scenes while Timothée took center stage with his co-stars. It wasn't about stealing attention or making headlines. It was about being there for him in a genuine and personal way. Fans quickly noticed the subtle but meaningful gesture, praising her for showing quiet support rather than turning the event into a media frenzy. Sources close to the couple mentioned that Kylie and Timothée have been balancing their busy schedules for months. Between her thriving cosmetics empire and his demanding film career, they often find themselves in different cities or even on different continents. Still, Kylie's quick trip across the Atlantic proves how committed she is to maintaining their connection. She managed to juggle her professional obligations in the fashion world while also being there for one of Timothée's most important career moments. The couple first made headlines back in 2023 when rumors of their relationship surfaced, and since then, fans have been curious about how serious things really are. This latest move might be the biggest sign yet that their relationship is not only strong but also deeply respectful. Kylie seems to be embracing a more private approach to her personal life, something that Timothée has always been known for. Together, they seem to balance fame with a sense of normalcy, a rare thing in Hollywood. Observers also noted that Kylie looked effortlessly chic at both events. In Paris, she stunned in a classic Miu Miu look that perfectly captured her fashion-forward style. Hours later in New York, she reportedly arrived in understated attire, blending in with the crowd and avoiding any unnecessary attention. It's a testament to how adaptable and media-savvy she's become, knowing exactly when to make an entrance and when to stay in the background. This moment also highlights the evolving side of Kylie Jenner. Over the years, she's gone from reality TV star to business mogul, mother, and now a supportive partner who seems to value meaningful connections over public displays. Her decision to skip high-profile fashion events in favor of personal moments speaks volumes about where she's at in life. Fans of both stars have taken to social media to express their admiration. Many called her gesture sweet and mature, while others joked about how she managed to cross continents in just hours to be by his side. Whether it was love, loyalty, or just impeccable timing, one thing is clear: Kylie Jenner knows how to make an impression without saying a word. So, what do you think about Kylie skipping part of Paris Fashion Week to support Timothée Chalamet's premiere? Was it a romantic gesture, or just good timing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on it. And don't forget to subscribe for more celebrity updates, lifestyle stories, and behind-the-scenes moments from your favorite stars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.